All right, we got it all done. We smoothed it out. It's pure mud, but we graded it. We worked our way out backwards. This is what's left. Last dumpster. Try not to be too bouncy. Where the old house was. They got the new house. You know. All right, there it is. Got it all smoothed out. So the back view. There's where the old house was right there. Got it all graded. Worked our way out. It's all mud here, so that's what we did with it. Ready to enjoy the backyard now. I got a better view. Opened it up. See all the way to the back now.